Well, hello and welcome back to the channel, to Posh Cats Camping. I'm Trevor, and this week we're on a CL, a Caravan Club, Caravan and Motorhome Club CL, and we've actually booked all 5 pitches because we've got 4 friends. Yes, I know it sounds strange, I've got 4 friends, but they've all turned up. So let me show you who's here. We're at the Stackyard Nursery in Mendlesham, which is in mid-Suffolk, so we're nowhere near the coast this time, but we are only about 25 miles from home, which is on our way back from the end of our tour. As you've probably seen our previous vlogs, we've been to Cambridgeshire and Northamptonshire in the last 10 days, so let's show you who's here. Let's walk down the field, you can see all 5 pictures. Now in the blue corner, waving from a distance, is our friend the Chit Chat, eh? Motorhome Chit Chat, Vicky and Aaron, and then just along in the second pitch there, Bobby the Hobby with Nick and Carol. Then we've got ourselves with Bertie the Badger, myself, Trev and Sue the Posh Cats, and then on the next pitch along, we've got Sheila and Joe and Donnie the Devon, the Auto Sleeper Motorhome, and then Colin and Phyllis at the end with their brand new motorhome. I think that's their first time out this weekend. A little Eldus, a Cordo, and they're over in their little pop-up. As you might have noticed that we've all got the same little pop-up. Well, that's a quick introduction of who's here. So what are we going to be doing this week? Well, it's not quite a rally, but it's a good get-together of friends, so we're going to have a joint barbecue. I think we're going to invite everyone along to bring their own, what they like, and we'll have a good old cook-off. I'm sure plenty of time to get up to mischief, and also going to take you for a little walk into Mendlesham village. As if by magic, I just happened to have the camera in my hand, and I thought it might be a little bit fun to see old Chit Chat
professionalism
fighting with the old pop-up. I hope you don't put your trousers on back to front like that, Darren.
If you start filming about 10 o'clock in the morning, you'll see I'll do it out there especially.
Yeah, he's going to go inside now and push the roof up. Yeah, look at that. Look.
Are you up, boy?
It all ended happily ever after. Don't let go of it.
Right. Let's get Peg in quick.
I've got a little presentation to make Mr. Chit Chat look.
Presentation.
This is something that I bought for your van as a van warming present.
I know exactly what this is.
And I thought we could share a laugh with that.
Oh, it's Suffolk
That's a Suffolk tea towel.
You can get mugs.
That's one of those microfiber cloths, you see, so you can either use it on the van or you can do your washing up with it.
Just grab that bit, could you?
Yeah.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Suffolk and proud.
We could always pin it to your t-shirt, couldn't we?
I've got the gut to hold it on.
Then the wind's in the right direction.
Yeah. Look at that, I love it,
well
Trev.
done. Well done, we'll have a little go with that later.
Brilliant.
Now we know why we invited Vicky along, because Vicky is our supreme cake maker. And look what we've got here. Right then Vicky, we need you to describe it for us.
Okay, so it's a Madeira cake sponge with a vanilla frosting.
Looks yummy.
Let's hope it tastes.
Now is there enough for me and Nick as
I'm
well?
hoping if I just cut it maybe in half, there'll be enough for you too.
Lovely.
Right, I've got to try and get 10 minutes out, so. I like to do with banana. Oh, God. Lovely. Okay.
Oh, we're going for a little doggy walk through the woods, which is just opposite the CL. And this is land that was donated by the farmer, apparently. It's all little woodland trails and things. So I think we're going to go this way through the trees and see where we come out.
Oh look, money's already gone.
We just walked down to Mendlesham village, lovely little village here, and behind me is what used to be the Fleece pub. My parents used to live in this village about 40 years ago, and the pub now is a couple of cottages.
What, do a demo?
Go in the shop, is that?
Yeah, I reckon so.
Yeah, better not use up the resources.
It's good though, isn't it?
It's different, isn't it? That's pretty, isn't it? Yeah, there is, isn't there? Look at this house, Trev, with the wood.
Well, on pitch number 1 at the Stackyard Nursery CL, we have the Chit Chats. Let's go and see what they're up to in here. There he is, look. There he is. Well, you got the kettle on then?
No, the beer is coming out in a minute.
Is it beer o'clock?
Yeah, beer o'clock.
That time already?
Beer o'clock, yeah.
Yeah, jolly good. Well, we've got the weather for it, Aaron.
That's always beer o'clock.
And he's got his, look, he's got his 2 merry helpers here. Joe and Nick. Eh? And they're getting ready with the Barbies, aren't you?
It's going to be a cookathon soon. Yeah.
Yeah.
A big
We're getting excited about that, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right. Well, the boys have got the old barbecues out. Let's see who we've got tonight.
Yeah, that'll be right.
On barbecue number 1,
You need to put that back in.
we have young Joe. What are you cooking up then, Joe?
Bear ribs and chicken thighs.
Bear ribs and chicken legs. Oh, okay.
I'm cooking.
What you're cooking, is it? Okay, I'll come over at barbecue number 2, young Nick.
Hello.
What are you cooking up there then, Nick?
A little bit of pork and garlic on the go at the moment.
Ah, marvellous. Okay.
I tell you what we ain't got.
Barbecue number 3,
Hello, hello, hello.
Mr. Chit Chat.
We're
What you got on there?
We're getting a bit of Chinese chicken thighs on the go
Oh my word.
to start with.
Yeah,
We've got some maple bacon slices
yeah.
and some sausages
Right,
and a couple of burgers as well.
wonderful.
And we've got some more peppers and onions
Yeah.
to go on as well.
And the 3 wise monkeys. And barbecue number 4 is mine. But I've gone on strike.
The chef's gone on strike.
So look at this, look. They're all beavering away on their Barbies.
I didn't see it.
They're all socially distanced round the campfire.
What else? Is there anything else like chicken wise I can put on? I've got loads of space. Yeah. Oh, then you've got sausages.
Now, Uncle Joe's getting on with his chicken. Look at that. Nick's getting on with his bangers and his pork loins. And how's Aaron getting on over here?
We're getting there.
My word, you got a lot in there, mate.
Well,
Yeah.
you know, I've got to take the lead of these boys.
Are you
haven't
peckish?
I? You know what I mean? Head chef.
To be fair, we follow you out of sheer curiosity.
Head chef has got to,
Head chef, he's got his hat on.
yeah, got to lead the troops. Busy. That's a busy old service tonight. Yes. So, a lot of people booked in for dinner tonight.
Yeah. Yeah. Still making progress here. Ooh, cool. Some lovely smells coming. Hello. It looks like Nick's turn to the bangers.
Nick's turn to the bangers.
Oh, what's he putting in there now?
Onions.
Onions. Okay.
Look at that.
Yeah. Bunions. Lovely.
Lovely. Oh, I bet you love that smell.
Well, I think Nick's had a change of attire. With his dad cooking apron on. How the onions coming on, mate?
Yeah, coming on good, mate. Yeah, it's being caramelised at the moment.
Are they?
Or messed up as we normally
AKA burnt.
Yeah, AKA.
Let's see what this little man is. Look at this, look. He's got peppers.
Peppers and garlic.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're burnt as well.
Yeah, caramelised.
Caramelised.
It's going well, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, would you expect anything less?
Oh no, of course not. What you got in there, Joe?
Salmon.
Salmon,
Yeah, I've got salmon inside.
wrapped in foil, and you just got a gentle flame under here, have you, mate?
I hope so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Who's not gone dead?
Ah. Now Joe has very kindly given me a new beer. Well, it's new to me anyway. It's Hobgoblin Gold. And it just so happens I've got a Hobgoblin glass. Can't be bad.
How cold is that?
Now for the test.
So that's east, isn't it? And then you've got west that way, where the sun sets are.
Yeah, that'll be east.
That'll be my kitchen
That's a
window.
proper good.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, that'll be east, that'll be west.
Yes, I think
Sitting
so.
in my lounge, looking out.
We're coming to the end of the evening now. It's losing the daylight. We're all still sitting outside here chatting. We have noticed there's an awful lot of flying ants, and last night we left the light on in the motorhome and there was, I reckon, 200 or 300 flying ants in the motorhome. So the vacuum cleaner had to come out, and we got one of those tennis rackets with the zappers, and it was horrible. Tonight we've got the doors shut and the lights out and all the blinds down. So that's about it for this vlog. We've had a lovely evening and we've had a lovely weekend with our friends and Motorhome Chit Chat. We do hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll be out and about again just after next weekend in about 10 days time, but we'll be vlogging as we always do. Take care, see you soon, bye bye.
Slid open the fridge and stuffed him in it.